Welcome to the ComplyRelax dashboard. In this video, I'll guide you on how to prepare a board report step by step using ComplyRelax. Let's start. First, go to the Masters tab from the left side menu, then click on Company Master. Search for your company and click on Open. Once the company dashboard is open, click on Annual Filing. You can prepare board report and related annexures such as MGT8, MGT9, and CSR report annexure all in one place. Now let's see how you can prepare board report. Click on Board Report, where you will see the list of board reports prepared so far in this company. To prepare a new report, click on Prepare Board Report. Here, you will see multiple tabs. As applicable, if you are preparing a full board report, you can select it here, and if it is an abridged board report, you can select that option. As per the selection, you will need to fill the tabs available here. While entering the data, you will notice options like Import from Client Data and Import from AI. If you have shared the data collection with your client and they have filled the details, you can use Import from Client Data to auto-fill that information. You can click on Save as Draft to save your progress or click Submit. The details that you have already mentioned in this company on ComplyRelax will be automatically fetched by the system. For example, auditor details will come from the Auditor Master. If the details are saved there, the system will fetch the required information automatically. If needed, you can click on the refresh button to update the data. Similarly, board meeting details will be picked from previously prepared meetings. You can also add your own content using the Add Any Other Point option. If you want to find anything quickly, you can use the search option available here. Once all details are filled and submitted, your report entries will appear here. You can download individual documents or use the combined file option to download everything together. If AOC1 is applicable and you wish to generate it, you must update the details of holding, subsidiary, or associate company in the Associated Company or LLP section. Click on Add Company/LLP and fill in the details as per your data. Once this is done, the system will enable AOC1 generation. Then go to the Edit icon and enter the required information about the subsidiary, JV, or associate company. You can also fetch previously entered client data automatically. So this is how you can prepare your board report using ComplyRelax. Next is the Copy Report option. If you have already prepared a board report for one company, you can reuse it. Just select the financial year you want to copy from and the year for which you want to copy it. Now let's look at the Preview Report option. Once you have completed all the tabs, you can use Preview to review the final report. Here, you can make final edits if required. This should only be done after completing the entire report, because once you save changes here, they will not sync back to the tabs. If you want to undo changes, you can use the Reset button. Now let's see how to change the default board report content. Exit the company, go to Secretarial Practice, and then click on Board Report. Here, you will see predefined points. You can add your content using the Add Content option, and that point will appear in all your companies. If you wish to edit the standard content provided by the system, first click on the Standard Board Report option and copy the point that you wish to edit. After copying the point, you can edit the existing content. Next is Arrange Sequence. Here, you can rearrange the sequence using the Drag and Drop option. This sequence will be applicable to all your company's reports. Thank you for watching.